I'm back again. It took me an hour and a half to get here. I took the long way. I'm going somewhere different today. I hope to. I'm going to take some videos on the way. But yeah, I don't know. I'm going to go down that hill. I'll get some speed and I'll just zoom down there. So, okay. I'm taking a break. I'm on one of these no path roads, no bike path roads. I'm dealing with aggressive drivers. I'm in the ditch here. I let them whip by. So my goal is to get as many kilometers on my bicycle, my bike, before I take it in this week for adjustments. I want to have 100 kilometers by the end of today. That's my goal. So I'm almost at 22 kilometers by the time I get home. Should be another 45. That gives 90 by the time I take it back to the store. That's 100. But I might go somewhere tomorrow too, so I'll be well into 100. So many speed demons. They have no idea what it's like to cycle, I guess, but it's nice that these people put up these signs to say, slow down, like they will. Oh, the beautiful countryside. Smells so nice. The heat. And you think, oh, it'd be nice. It'd be too hard to live out here if you didn't have a car. You have to go to the store, you need something, everything's so far away. And traffic. But one of the houses back here, it gets you to realize what it's like to live in the country. People don't go to the dump, they just pull up in front of your house and dump all their garbage and then take off. There's a sign there at one house. I just like, what negative savages. Anyway, okay, so that's all I have to say. Cool house. It was for sale earlier this year. Got to see all the inside and everything. I like the location, but again, wouldn't want to ride my bike out here all the time. Nice, fancy little subdivision here at next to Tower Point. That's where I am right now, Tower Point. Victoria is that way. Way around there, 22 kilometers away. So yeah, this is it. Let's see what else is here. Okay, down to the beach now. Nice blue bike rack to match my blue bike. Okay, how'd you do it? And this is called Perry Bay. So I'm going to go out for a swim there. And this is my water shoes, so I can walk through all this roughness. The only problem is that when I go home, it's full of sand. Long way to go, but sand, lots of sand, very beachy. I'm playing with a dog now. Adopt a dog. I was just getting into that.
Lots of fun.
That was worth the ride. Yeah, it's cold when you swim out, but then when you come back in, it's warmer. Oh. Another dog brought me a stick. Okay. I'm addicted to this, and the smell of the sea air. Oh, it smells, oh, so fresh. The sun's just perfect right now, and that view. Enough. Sandbar beaches. And the other beach is way back over there. Yeah. Time to go home. The tide's coming in really fast. I got my bag wet. It happened so fast. And so I was able to dry it in the sun. But all those people on that sandbar, if they have cell phones and stuff sitting down, they better be careful because everything gets washed in and then you got to go through all the water. Well, anyways, that was fun. I made the most of it. It's 3 o'clock now. Feels like it could be a lot later, but the time went by so fast. So okay, so now I'm going for my 22-kilometer bike ride home. I don't know if I'll take more pictures. We'll see. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye. Took me a half hour to go 6 kilometers. I don't have this hill. I'm gonna walk up. It's too hard to go down for a swim and then climb all the way back up, so I'll have to pass. I'm going way over there. That looks nice though. The beach lands. Okay, I guess I can climb this hill now. So it's 4:30 now, and I have to go for a swim.
Get me what it has in 2 minutes. What? Oh, he's on it. Let's go swimming and make some money. I thought I saw a ring, so I reached down and grabbed it. And like,
Nice and warm, eh?
It's beautiful.
A little reedy, but
A lot of reeds, yeah.
But the current will take you right down under the bridge.
Yeah, it's pulling fast
It
right
is,
now.
isn't it? Yeah.
So, that is nice.
Yeah, it is. Good thing to do in the summer.
Oh my God, I was in the ocean earlier today and it was cold water.
Oh, cold plunge.
So I'm cycling around. So
Oh yeah.
busy day today. So,
That's good. Sunday, get out, see the sights.
you know, those long winters are so dark, and
They're long.
so gotta make the most of it.
That's right, you do. Soak up that vitamin D.
You betcha. Yeah, so as you heard, I was fighting the current there. Okay, so I guess I gotta wash off these shoes. They still got lots of sand in them and it's making it an awful ride, but oh, what a beautiful day. Absolutely. So I'm gonna take a different bike ride, different path home now, so later. It's 5 o'clock. I'm going down Gorge Road. It's not a lot of traffic. It's mostly flat. And it gives me a nice little level path. So I'm gonna take Blanchard to my street and home. I think I like it. Out of nowhere, this building appeared. It just came out of nowhere. The Scott Living. Weird. This nice new bike path is great on Blanchard. Getting some shade, cool windy shade in the by these skyscrapers here. Okay, I guess that's it for the trip. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you're not bored. Okay, bye.